So here we got snap-on 6-inch crimper and wire stripper, and those are $50. Then we got the Carlyle from Napa, which are $27. Other than some subtle differences, they're really not that much different. I certainly wouldn't justify the price. Obviously, you can see the non-insulated crimper part right here on the top. It's a little smaller gap. Well, maybe not. Well, that's weird. I think the Carlyle is actually smaller. It's like the insulated is a little smaller on the snap-ons. They're a little flatter. These go down to what's that shit? 20. They do make another version that has a one size smaller, but honestly, I don't think you're going to be missing anything if you go with these over the snap-ons. Same length. Snap-ons, I'm not gonna lie, snap-ons are a little nicer. Just the motion. The grips do feel a lot better, a lot softer. These are brand new though, so they are going to be a little more stiff, but honestly, there's no need to go with the snap-ons. They're only $50 though, so yeah, the grips are nice and soft and rubbery, and they're rounder. So you can probably see these are like flat, a lot harder. Kind of like the Nipex Cobras, if you're familiar with those. They kind of feel just like that. Texture probably looks the same too. Yeah.